Understanding sincere, exploring its true meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a word that's often heard but sometimes misunderstood: sincere. This word is key in many social and professional interactions. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Let's get started. In this section, we will explore the dictionary definition of sincere. Sincere is an adjective that describes a person's actions, thoughts, or feelings that are genuine, honest, and free from pretense or deceit. When someone is sincere, they are being real and true, not fake or pretending. It's a quality highly valued in friendships, relationships, and even in professional environments. Understanding the origin of words can often help us remember their meanings. Sincere comes from the Latin word sincerus, meaning clean, pure, or untainted. This historical context reinforces the idea of someone being pure in their intentions or feelings without any hidden motives. Let's see how sincere is used in everyday conversation. 1. Her sincere apology touched everyone in the room. This shows genuine regret. 2. He has a sincere interest in learning new languages. This implies a true and honest interest, not just a superficial one. 3. Their sincere friendship has lasted over the years. Indicates a friendship based on true feelings, not convenience or pretense. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can broaden your usage of sincere. Some synonyms include genuine, heartfelt, and honest. Phrases that convey a similar meaning are from the bottom of my heart, with all sincerity, in all honesty. Sincerity isn't just in what we say. It's often shown in how we behave. Non-verbal cues like eye contact, open body language, and a warm, steady tone of voice often accompany sincere expressions. We hope this video has given you a clear and comprehensive understanding of the word sincere. Remember, sincerity is not just about the words you choose. It's about the authenticity behind them. Use this word to express genuine feelings and to recognize the truth in others. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your journey to master the English language.